Hello friends, today we are going to unbox new JioFi device. So this is the latest JioFi device available in the market, and this one we can buy it from Amazon.com or Reliance Digital Store or Reliance Express Digital Stores, mini stores, or you can buy from online from Jio portal also. So let's go into unbox. And I do have a old JioFi device. So this is a 2300 milliamps battery, and this one they have told it comes 3000 milliamps battery. Okay, let's go into unbox. Yeah, this is the latest JioFi device, guys. It's really lightweight. Okay, and when you buy from the buy a JioFi device, you'll get a charger free. And the adapter as well, so you'll get a data cable plus charger. It's really a good advantage. And this comes with a battery as well. This is a bit bigger battery when compared to this old JioFi device. Okay, and that's all we have in the compartment. Okay, let's check this model. Okay, I'll keep this aside. And it comes with stickers. Warranty period is 1 year for the device and 6 months for the accessories. Okay, and so let's compare the battery of the old JioFi device and the new JioFi device. I'm going to remove this battery now. So this is the old battery and this is the new battery. New battery is a bit heavier because this new battery has 3000 milliamps battery, and this is the old one. So it's like a 2300 milliamps battery, and in the new device they are promising around 8 hours of battery backup. So once your device is charged, you don't need to charge this device for at least 8 hours, and it's really good guys. Yes guys, in the new device, actually here in the old one you need to remove the slot. For example, you have to take it like this. For example, you have to take it like this and insert, but there is no option to remove it, so you just need to slide it out. You have to press here to get your SIM, and this is how you insert the SIM card. Just insert the SIM card. Okay, and maybe if you want like memory card, you can put it. I don't want, so I'm just closing it off. Yeah, that's all guys. I just need to switch on this. So to switch on, you just need to hold this one button. Let the power to power. Yeah, when you see this indication, it means that your JioFi device is on low battery. So maybe you need to switch on the. Yeah, when you see this indicator, right, the battery indicator, that means your JioFi device is on low battery, so you need to connect to the charger to make it full charge. And I'll also show you sometimes you could have seen the problem, right? The device will not turn on itself. Okay, that means your device is in the pre-charging mode. Yeah, during the pre-charging mode, all the LED light blinks in the red color. For example, all the power, network and Wi-Fi and everything blinks on the red. Device cannot be turned on while pre-charging stage, so you need to charge your battery for some time to get rid of all the red lights. You should not try resetting, because this is a regular default option in the new JioFi device. Okay, during this mode, even if you turn on your JioFi device, it will not work. Even if you reset, it will not work fine. You just need to wait for some 10 or 15 minutes, so that only this charger light indicates. Charger light indication will be on, so that then you can start the device. It will work fine till now. This is a new option in the new JioFi device, but this option is like really not good, because in the old JioFi device it used to work fine. Yeah, I do have the old JioFi device. It used to work fine. Just connect to the charger, it'll just start off as it is, but on the new JioFi device, so it's not working, guys. Be aware of it. Make sure you charge fully, or like don't make it empty. That's my suggestion. Thank you. Yeah, it can connect up to 31 devices, and it is a 3 milliamps battery, and it supports wireless sharing through SD card. And these are the new features on JMR815 new JioFi device. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and post any questions if you have any. Thank you. Bye bye.